Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and withdraw from your Rumble account itself. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's not any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is, since you have monetized your Rumble account and you would like to now get the money from it that you have earned itself, would like to withdraw it, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're gonna make sure that once you have received finalized earning in your Rumble account and have at least a $50 in the minimum in settled earnings, you can start the process to withdraw. To do that, go to your account, make sure you're in the rumble.com here in the browser and you're signed in as well. We're gonna go ahead, tap on the sign in option. Afterwards, enter our email or username, and then we're gonna be able to get signed in here itself like that. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon, go ahead, tap on account overview. You can go to states and earning. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on account overview over here, and now you will find this option called cash out. Once you have done, get the estimated account amount accordingly, you're gonna tap on this cash out option given over here, and then you will find, as this you can see, minimum $50 is needed. Then afterwards you can confirm it and cash out your amount from your Rumble like that. So yes guys, this will be it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.